We are at Jean-Drapeau. Hey, Jimmy. The island station of Montreal. Let's take a look at the map. That's where we are. Six Flags is just across here, I believe. Here's the rest of the map. Cool city. Here's our elevator. Those transit elevators in Montreal look just like this. Buttons on both sides. It's traction. It doesn't go very far either.
Niveau rez-de-chaussée. Sortie ouvert ascenseur correspondance Longueuil, Université de Sherbrooke.
So here's the station. This time of day it's pretty quiet. Not sure what that's all about. They did not need to make this two doors. You could easily have the door on the other side. Hi. So we'll watch it go up. Here it goes. Counterweight. You get a better view from over here. Yeah. Nice elevator. And that's it.